What's going on, guys? So we snuck away from work just for a few minutes to film this, but today we are going to be helping out Vanessa with her products and her merch, as she's going to be selling at I forgot the event, but we'll say it later. But yeah, we're going to be helping her out. We're going to be making those products. We did some yesterday already, and unfortunately I didn't get any film of that. Ia is supposed to be helping us today, and I don't know if Josh might be, but he said he's busy. We're going to see what we have, what we can get done today. I believe it's only hoodies because we did totes and shirts yesterday. So I'm hoping we can get all of it done so that she's prepared for this week. But yeah, I'll see you later when work is done, and then we're gonna go over and head off to pick up Ia. See you in a bit. So we're here waiting for Ia now. We have some time to kill before she's actually ready, so I'm gonna be doing some voiceovers for one of my other videos that for another account that I do. Yeah, it's that's what we're gonna be doing while waiting. Besides that, we're probably just gonna chill. Me and Ia at least have time afterwards to kind of just chill. I'm probably gonna be learning a little bit more about, you know, the music industry and not music. Yeah, a little bit of the music industry, but also about content creating. So I'll probably get some tips from her. And yeah, we're just gonna talk and try and figure out what I can do better while waiting for Vanessa before we head over there. So we'll see you probably next time is when Ia comes. So we didn't end up doing any of those. We decided to go to Game & Grounds and get some coffee. While we were there, we got sidetracked and decided to play a game. We found this cute little game, even asked the clerk to recommend us a game, and he recommended us this one called Flamecraft. It's a resource collecting game that was made for 2 to 5 players. You basically take on the role of flame keepers, and as a flame keeper, you go around shops and you gather items, you place dragons, and you cast enchantments on the shops to make them better. The goal of the game is to have the most reputation, and you can do that by achieving certain achievements and getting certain abilities and enchantments that will actually either give you reputation, give you items, resources, or giving you more dragons to place. We spent maybe, I think, 2 hours playing this game, learning it, and we actually had a very fun time doing it. I do highly recommend this game. Pick up as a, you know, fun, light game to play with friends. We are definitely going to be picking up for our next board game night. And yeah, I think my favorite part of this game are the cute dragons, but also the shops, because I love fantasy and I love Dungeons and Dragons. And so one of my favorite shops that we actually were able to play was a little bakery called Critical Roles. And I think it's just a really good pun. The design that they made for the card looked amazing. Hey, so we're finally here at Vanessa's, helping her out with all of the stuff that she needs. Right now we are assembling sticker packs. Very cute, look at that. Circus Friends. Love the stickers on that. I'm going to show you the stickers that goes in here actually. Doddlevee. It'll be very good. So the first one, it says Down to Clown. It's very cute with 2 clowns. We have Yeehaw. It looks great. Party animal. Let me see it. It's kind of crying. It's very cute. Love that one. This one just reminds me of, if you guys remember Ryan Higa, the Teehee. I love this one. And then we have 2 what looks to be like snow cones. Oh, I think it's one snow cone and one cotton candy. Very cute there. We have one honk. Again, very circus themed. I love this. It's very nice. And of course, you cannot forget about her business card. So if any of you guys are looking,
so that's what we're gonna do now. Okay.
Silly art, silly merch.
Which ones did you start with?
And here is the back side of that.
That's gonna be the easiest to fit into the
So scan that QR code if you're interested in any of these. So this is the process of creating these sticker packs. Of course, we place the stickers into the plastic bag, seal it, not forgetting the business card. I definitely forgot that business card multiple times. We put them all together. We put the cardboard cutout on the top once that is done. And this is what they look like. Very cute, very eye-catching for sure. So we did actually run out of the card stock cutouts and we had to create more. So after printing them, I had to crease to get them ready, and I was just kind of in the zone at this point, making all those creases, getting them ready to be put onto the actual plastic bags. And of course, finally, after all of that was ready, we place it in the plastic bag, staple it together, and that completes one pack. I was actually surprised at how long it took to finish all of these sticker packs. I think it took me around 2 hours to complete maybe 40 sticker packs, which was a decent amount of time because we still had some leftover time to actually finish and do other products that we still needed to be done. So right now we have finished a few. We are creasing and creating more tags. Again, circus friends. And these are all the readied packs. So we're going to be putting those together and trying to get these sticker packs done. So there is the creator herself with a hoodie.
I'm struggling. I have a love-hate relationship with this job.
How does it feel to do your own business creating all of this?
It's fun, pretty stressful, but it's like pretty rewarding to see a lot of people like take an interest in my work and like meeting people at events and stuff. Yeah, it's just overall really fun. It's like, to me at least, it's worth all of the hard work and effort, and I feel like it'll just pay off one day if I just keep it up, you know?
Good,
yeah,
so can you tell us more about these sticker packs? Like, what goes in them?
So at the moment I only really have 2 different sticker packs. Well, technically 3, but I kind of discontinued that one. But my main 2 are the Circus Friends one, because I just, for some reason, like drawing clowns, at least right now. So there's 2 different versions of these clown sticker packs. There's gonna be like 3-inch stickers with 4, I believe, 1-inch stickers. But yeah, it's just an assortment of silly clown stickers. And the reason why I do a lot of clowns related stuff, at least for stickers, is because at my very first event, I learned that my audience seems to really like clowns. So, and I kind of just found it fun to doodle, I guess. But yeah, so at the moment, I feel like my brand kind of revolves around silly, cute things. And I'm kind of just building it up from there. But yeah.
After working on the sticker packs, we moved on to creating and basically getting all of the hoodies set up to be heat pressed. Here we can see me and Iya are actually working together to make these things. This was definitely much easier as a 2-person job. One person kind of getting all the measurements done, another person making sure everything is in line and everything work together so well. It did take us some time, so if you notice in this clip, we are trying to make this as perfect as possible, and this is only for one hoodie. So besides matching up the seam, there we have the little logo and design that's going to be going on this hoodie. But after getting everything in line, we have to use measurements. I believe we used measuring tape for this one. We taped it down, and then after that, we would try and see what we can fix, especially when it comes to centering and making sure that the design isn't skewed compared to the hoodie. So this may all seem kind of like menial work, but to me, it was a little therapeutic just kind of turning my brain off and doing this manual labor. So I'm not gonna lie, I did actually enjoy helping out making all of these products.
Right, we finished work and gonna go get some food now.
That was actually really cute.
Yeah, it's seemed like a very productive day.
Oh yeah.
Seemed. No, it was a very productive day.
Even though there was a bit of a delay.
Oh yeah, that delay was it's okay. But yeah, we'll try to get some while we're eating. Yeah, see you in a bit.
Okay.
So, we're getting dinner now. We got our meal. How's the business expense?
This is how I'm paying my workers.
Yes, sir. At least we're not. At least we're not unpaid workers here.
That's right. That's right.
I mean besties.
Yeah, besties. This besties. All right, dig in, guys. We're ending the day. We finally done.
I'm not done.
She's not done.
She's never done.
What else you have?
After this, I'm gonna keep working.
Let the viewers know what event you're gonna be going to for this.
Okay, wait. This for my most recent.
Yes, the one that's upcoming one.
Upcoming. It's this event with Papamai at the, what was it called? In Pomona. I think it was called the Metro Event Center. It's this like fan-made event for, I believe, Hoyoverse. So it's gonna have like Genshin Impact and I forgot what the other games were called, but yeah. I think it's like their biggest event. I could be wrong, do not quote me. But I believe it's one of their bigger events because they're like closing down like a whole street for it. So I'm like hyped for that. Yeah.
Okay, and what are your socials if the people really like what they see?
You can find me just on Instagram right now at the moment. It's Doddlevee, Doddlevee. Hopefully I spelled that right.
All right, and Io, what did you think about our paid work today?
Yes, I was paid very well in McDonald's fries and filet-o-fish.
No, and friendship.
at 10 p.m. You know, the post-work meal. We did not take our 10, but it's okay. You know. We have,
Yeah. Technically, it's a 5 hours, so we should have at least had like a 10-minute break.
Yeah, this works non-union, non-paid. So I came into it expecting. I'm kidding.
This is charity work, and
This volunteer
this
work.
is volunteer work.
We're just in here for the entry-level experience.
The real payment is our friendship.
The real payment is the friends we made along the way.
The real payment is the McDonald's we got.
Just to be clear.
Just to be clear, it was actually McDonald's. No, but yeah, that's how we're ending the day. If you want to go see Doddlevee at her next event, you should definitely go check out. Do you have any events coming up besides that?
I do. I have 2 more coming up after Pop Umai on May, I think 17, 18. It's Anime Night Mart in Westminster. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Something like that. And then another one, Taste of Japan with Takumi Alley. What are the dates for that again? It was like June
13, 14, 15?
June 13, 14, 15. Hopefully that's the correct date. But yeah, that one's gonna be my biggest event so far, I think. Super excited about that one. But also nervous.
Yeah, actually, I've been wanting to check out Taste of Japan because you can go there and like actually get authentic Japanese food and just see a lot more of Japanese culture. So it'll be really cool, and there's gonna be obviously a lot of vendors and creators there. So you should go out and support.
Yeah.
Support Doddlevee.
Exactly.
Shop small businesses.
Okay, I don't know how to end this. What's a good ending?
I don't know.
Okay.
And cut.
And cut.